On October the 6th, 2016, Pest Boy came back. Never once apologized. But he was sure looking for the camera. Watch. He's looking for the camera. There's no bugs or bait on top of my refrigerator. He said he didn't have to bait until next month. But he never offered up an apology for causing me drama and lying on me. Now he goes and looks behind the refrigerator. The bait would be on the back of the refrigerator, not on top of it. He was looking for the camera because Connie told him I had video of him. Not just being smart, he's keeping an eye on the boy. What happened is they passed me by and I went downstairs to see why they didn't bait, and he explained to me that the bait's still good till next month. Here he goes back and looks behind the refrigerator looking for the bait to see if it's still moist. I can't believe McGee's kept him. That was a mistake for them, and that's why I do what I do. If he had apologized, it'd be different. But he's a devil, he's a demon, he's a bully. And that is what I anticipated, that nothing would happen to him. Because that's what they do, they protect the evil ones. Well, the world's going to know. Jacob from McGee's. I forgive you, but I don't think God will. He might. You never know.